Today we're in the veggie garden and we're looking at cut and come again lettuce. These are the lettuces where you harvest the leaves from around the outside of the plant and then it grows again, and you can harvest probably 6 or 7 times during the season. And this is how you do it. The reason you take the leaves from around the outside of the plant is so that you're leaving the head of the lettuce, that's the bit in the centre. You're not going to cut that. We're always leaving those centre few leaves. That's the part that's going to keep growing. Get yourself a sharp knife. A small one like this is ideal. Simply reach in, cut off as many of those outside leaves as you need for your salad, and that's it. What will happen is that the centre will keep growing, and you can see here where we've harvested all the way down this stem already, and you'll get a continual supply of lettuce through the season. What type of lettuce are we growing here? It's Amish Deer Tongue. It's a great lettuce. You can use it in salads or you can throw it into a stir fry. And after you've harvested your lettuce, to keep it growing, you need to fertilise it and you need to water it. So we recommend fertilising your lettuce when you're growing them in a container like this every 2 weeks, using a reasonably high nitrogen liquid fertiliser. Watering your lettuce, just keep the soil moist at all times. Don't let it dry out, but don't let it get wet and soggy. If it's summertime, get an umbrella and give the lettuce a little bit of shade. It'll love you for it. And can you harvest other cut and come lettuces the same way? Of course you can, including wonderful lettuces like Tokyo Bacana, miner's lettuce, and all of those other loose, leafy green lettuces that we class as cut and come again. Subscribe to the YouTube channel for regular updates on a whole range of vegetables and fruits, as well as succulents, garden design, you name it. And as always, good luck with your gardening.